Hey guys, I'm Professional Bohemian. I'm an illustrator, oil painter, and Twitch streamer. You're about to watch a section of one of my streams where I create this image right here. Do stick around, watch subsequent videos, or navigate through the channel and see if there's anything else you like. Drop a subscribe, like, comment. Check out my work on Instagram and join me live on twitch.tv/Professional Bohemian with me and my community and have some fun. Enjoy the video, guys. What's up, guys? I am back. Sorry about that. Unscheduled little bio break. Dude, with all the light reflecting off my head, it's like it's like staring directly into the sun looking at me. Let's go back to the art. Here we go. We're going to outline this heart here, but we're going to do it in an O2. I don't want it to take too much protagonism. Maybe it should take a bit more protagonism. Hang on a minute. Where's my point? 4. Yeah. All right, Hipster Jesus looking good, my man. Okay. Now we're going to draw his halo, and we're going to do it, guys. We're going to do it the way I like. You're like an artificial sun. I am like an artificial sun. We're going to do it how the old masters used to do it. Yeah, Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, the other Ninja Turtles. We're going to do it like they did it. How did they do it, you're asking? Simple. They drew around the top of a Pringles cap. Yeah, dude. Oh, you don't believe me? What do you even know about art? Mad into Pringles, the old masters, let me tell you. It's the only reason I eat Pringles, of course. It's for the art supplies, you know? Otherwise, I watch my girlish figure. Oh, it's just beauty. It's a thing of beauty. Nice Hipster Jesus. Thank you, Elena. How are you doing? Ancient artistry right here. Dude, how the old masters used to do it. Draw around the top of a Pringles tub. It's exactly how they used to do it. I'm just going to do some like rays emanating from this. We're not going to be too precious about it. It doesn't have to be too spot on. In many ways, the less precious we are about it, the better it'll look, you know what I mean? We are so getting there, guys. Hipster Jesus on his way. He's on his way to Bethlehem Starbucks. Bethlehem Books. I don't know what it'd be called. I saw the one of the horses, unicorns, Pegasus. Awesome. Thank you. That was an old one. We did that a long time ago on a stream. But yeah, it was cool to work on. Took ages to do. I think it was about a 5-hour sketch, that one. Okay, excuse me. I'm going to just spin this around a little bit so I can get a better... area to draw on. I mean, he truly is. He truly is the King of Kings, isn't he? Guys, I might be going to hell, but you guys are coming with me, so... You know, bear that in mind. At least we'll be in good company. Hey, look at you. You made it to the midpoint in the video. Good for you. At this point, I'm going to remind you, you should probably subscribe to the channel if you're not already doing so, or jump into twitch.tv/professional bohemian and join me on my next stream. On with the show. Getting to that point there where if I add, I'm frightened of adding more just in case we screw it up, you know what I mean? That's almost where we call it done, but I'm missing something. A treso, as they say in Spanish, like staging. Do we do some clouds like we did with Mary? Let me pull up some references for. Sorry, this camera is writing away while I'm drawing all this stuff. Let me pull up some references for these for Jesus portrait. Jesus portrait. All right, let's have a look. No, they're all on a kind of a blank. They're all kind of on a blank background. Well, okay then. Well, that's fine. What did I do with my other eraser? He truly is the King of Kings. What do you think, guys? Do we call this done? All right, I think that is it with Hipster Jesus, guys. Hope you enjoy the image. Hope you enjoyed the stream. I think that's all for me. Thank you and good night.